Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, this is the curbside video for the week of May the 18th to the 24th. So lots of great deals in this one, and we are really excited for all the new shoppers out there. What is a curbside deal? Basically, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. A lot of people prefer to shop this way, but if you are a traditional shopper that likes to be in store, register rewards, you want to see what you're buying, and hey, I get that and I hear you. I will link yesterday's video where I go through all the hottest deals this week over at Walgreens, including some freebies and some cheapies and a lot of little magic. And just to answer another question for all the new shoppers out there, doing these deals curbside, you will not get these register rewards, but if you do them in store, you will be rewarded the register reward. So yet another rule over at Walgreens. So hopefully that is making perfect sense. Now, as we are getting really close to the Memorial Day weekend, we have two different coupon codes that we can use for extra savings. The first one is for 15% off of a $35 purchase with Hero 15, and then 20% off of a $50+ purchase with Hero 20. So just keep that in mind in case you want to put in a really large order. You could save even more. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could just take a second and like the video. It really helps me out. Let's get right into it with deal number one. So as I said, Memorial Day is right around the corner. So in this one, we're going to have a lot of little food deals. We're going to be grabbing 4 of the 12 packs of the Pepsi for $21.98. Depending where you live, you might have a big bottle deposit. There is one here in Michigan. We also have this 3 off of 4 digital coupon, so we're going to get $3 off. Unfortunately, you can't add a code like WAG10 or anything to save a little bit of extra money, because I think it's on a promotion of buy 2 get 2 for free for the soda. So it's like they're not going to give us more savings on top of that with this coupon. So the overall total is $26.78. Factoring in every can in Michigan, you have to pay a 10-cent bottle deposit. Wherever you live, you might not even have to pay the bottle deposit, so the numbers might be a little different. Subtracting the 3, $23.78. If you wish to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and I'm going to get a huge amount back with the bottle deposit when I return the cans. Deal number 2. Okay, so for this one, we are looking to use this booster, which is a 7 back when you spend 30 on select skincare and sun care. So the first thing that really interests me is this L'Oreal Revitalith Triple Power Intensive Anti-Aging Night Face Cream for $29.99. And we have a 14 off of 2 digital. Plus we have a 40% off. So we're going to throw in this little eye cream for $10.79. So that's 40% off from $17.99. So kind of expensive, but if you like your skincare, I mean, this is not a bad little deal. And we have a 14 off of 2 that's attaching to both of the products, which is awesome. So just to show you guys, $14 coupon is coming off, and then I was able to successfully use the coupon code HERO15 for an additional $4 and a penny off, which is not too shabby. A lot better than using the code WAG10, that is for sure. The overall total is $40.78. That 401 coming off, free curbside pickup and tax. Our $14 digital is melting off. So with your debit card or credit card, you're going to spend $24.98 and get back $7 in Walgreens cash. It is a booster to spend 30 to earn back 7, so you have to pay the balance. You cannot use Walgreens cash at all. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 3, and for this one, getting those feet ready for the summer months, we're going to grab some Gold Bond medicated talc-free foot powder. Sometimes you just need this stuff for $10.99, and there's a $1.50 digital. Plus, there's a promotion that when you buy one of these powders, you're going to get this lotion for free. And this has peppermint oil, so that must be absolutely glorious. And I am all about that free item. And if you wear a lot of sandals like yours truly, you can see that this will be really coming into play this summer. And then to get the basket to balance out with that freebie, we're going to throw in one of these 4 packs of the Walgreens toilet paper for $1.99. So just to show you guys, we can use the code WAG10 for 95 cents savings. On top, that's where you're going to type in the coupon code, and then we were able to get $1.50 off with a digital coupon. So $12.98, 95 cents coming off with WAG 10, and then $1.50 off. So the total here is $11.25. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.25. This is not a bad little basket, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, moving it along, let's look at deal number 4. For this one, we are going to grab 2 of the Ballpark beef hot dogs for $5.99, and they are buy one, get one free. So please make sure you're throwing 2 of them into a basket so you can get that free one. And then 2 of the Lay's potato chips. I went with sour cream. You can go with the plain or the barbecue for $5.49. This is cheaper than the Doritos. The Doritos, I believe, are like $6.29. So if you're about chips for your Memorial Day barbecue, this is a great one to grab. And then just to show you, the total is $10.58. No tax because this is considered food. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it, and pay 58 cents and call this a very good basket. And because it is hot dogs, I would try and order this and get to the store right away. So you can collect your food right away. And I could not use WAG 10. I could not get it to work. Maybe you'll have better luck than I. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 5. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 3 boxes of the Honey Bunches of Oats, priced at $1.88. Original price point almost $6. So 3 of them is $5.64. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a rebate for $2 back when you buy 3 of these. Honey Bunches of Oats is in fact listed, and it must be cereal boxes that are 10 ounces or larger. So this, in fact, qualifies for that. So how fantastic is that? And let's not forget, you're going to absolutely need a receipt. So when you get to the store, go to the photo counter and ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can acquire that receipt to submit this to IBOTTA, because $2 is quite a bit of money. I don't want you guys missing out on that. We're also going to throw in 5 of these Walgreens makeup remover towelettes. It's a 30 count found in the dollar spot. And I don't know if this is a mistake, but this doesn't make any sense that it's in the dollar spot. So, hey, grab 5 of them if you are a makeup girly. It's fantastic. So $11.89, subtracting WAG 10, 34 cents tax for me. So it's $11.04. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay $1.04, and then photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA for that rebate for the cereal. How fantastic is that? The final deal that we're looking at is deal number 6, and this is another food one. We're grabbing 4 of these Pringles potato crisp chips, cheddar cheese, and they are on the to-go sizes, so they're smaller. This digital coupon is only attaching to that cheddar cheese chip one. That's kind of a tongue twister to say that 3 times. And then we're going to put 4 bags of the very expensive Doritos, because we love rich things, for $12.58 on a buy one, get one free promotion. And then we're going to load this 3 off of 3 digital coupon. It's either off of the Doritos or the Mountain Dew. So just to show you, $3, WAG 10 taking 50 cents off. So that is not too shabby to have a little bit of extra savings right there. And then just to show you guys, the overall total for this is $20.54. 50 cents coming off with WAG 10, $6 for the 2 $3 coupons. So it's $14.04. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $4.04 and call it a very smart basket. Lots of snacks for the Memorial Day weekend and your summer. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.